First of all, there's no compulsion. You don't have to keep doing the developing. If you can just do the maintenance and just, follow the process and place the trades, you're ahead of the game because you've already done some work that will allow your trading to grow, your account to grow as you follow the process. And the development is like nice icing on the cake. It's extra. So you do it when you can and you don't do it when you can't. One of the things I've learned is that trying to do it when psychologically, emotionally, physically, I can't do it, or I'm not in a state to do it, just breeds frustration. I find that I really need to put myself in the right state, the right mental and physical state to make it worth the time and effort. If I sit down and I'm feeling down, I'm feeling negative, or I'm exhausted, or I can't think clearly, trying to do system development is hopeless. You don't make good decisions, or at least I don't. I don't have creative ideas. I don't make breakthroughs. So I think forcing it is a bad idea. But learning and practicing, for me, what's really important is practicing getting back into the state where I can do it. And my solution was stood back from it. I changed the focus. I did some exercise and I did something completely different, which started to free up my mind again and got me sort of back in the game, back a bit more positive. So we don't always have to be in the state to be developing and testing and back testing and so on. I think it's okay to admit we're not in that state right now and do something else.